Hi! In front of me is the mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can find all your downloads on this device. You need to start by opening an app called Files. Then select Continue over here and tap on Browse in the middle if it's not already on. Then select Got It in this pop-up and tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!